This is the same file airdropped from my iPhone to my laptop. Please ignore the wonky camera angle and notice how the one on the left moves significantly faster. It's because there's a very simple and easy way to make your airdrop transfers not only faster but also more reliable. So, what's the trick? Use a good old-fashioned cable. Anytime your iPhone or iPad is connected to a Mac or another Apple device with a cable, they'll automatically use the wired connection for airdrops. This provides more stable transfers that are also faster. The only headache is this glitch with macOS that you'll see where I was setting up for my tests. When plugging in a phone, macOS will open a pop-up window asking if you'd like to allow this external accessory to connect. And the annoying thing is that this pop-up often disappears before you manage to click on it. It can also hide behind other applications, so a lot of people struggle to get the connection going in the first place. You'll also need to trust the computer on your phone if you haven't connected it before. After that, everything works the same as usual. Go give it a try and let me know how it goes. And while you're at it, check out my playlist for more useful guides like this. Thanks all. Until next time.